Hey, Erica here. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily update and add testimonials to your Squarespace site, like the easiest way. So I'm already inside of my client's website and I'm using the 7.0 version. Now, I admit in 7.1, there's even better, or not better, but even simpler ways to add testimonials, which I'll show you. But right now, for this very second, we're in 7.0. Excuse me. And so what I can do is, this was a testimonial she had before. So I can go right here, and it is a quote block, plus the little blue sign. Go down to quote, and I'll just wait for the other little blue thing to pop up. So client just texted to me, and so it's hot off the press. Let me add it to the site. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it says, and so it already has little quote marks around it. So you can just type in the actual wanted to say thank you for the work with helping me get the 19th sold. Appreciate kept informed and worked aggressively to get that done. Experience in this area definitely showed itself and was well worth it. And then he said, best regards, his name, Rob. Okay, that's the easiest way to add testimonial quote block, and then just add it like that. Save. Now a sneak peek would be inside of the 7.1. They actually have like a testimonials block. So this is a completely different website. And then on the about page, all the way down. So what this is, you know, 7.2 or 7.1, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? The new version of Squarespace has like add a section. So this is, I think this was a people. Yeah, this was a people. No. Yeah, this was a meet the team. And then I just took off the other people, and then I made it into a little testimonial thing. But it's so cool because like they have all these different blocks that you can just, you know, take to the next level, or not take to the next level, use for your whatever purpose you want to do. So their quote section again has it. So how on the other one I had to move the blocks, it already has them side by side, and it already has the what people are saying. So it's your prerogative how you want to lay it out, and you can actually customize these once you add them in a section. But it's pretty cool. And just like here, you know, you can use any one of these. You can have, you know, images side by side with some text. You can have them set up like that, like I do on my other site. But yeah, that's how you can have a section of testimonials on Squarespace pretty easily. Now, there's more in-depth ways you can, you know, have them animated and slide and stuff like that. But, you know, long story short, that is the easiest way to add testimonials. And you can tell this tutorial is short. So let me know how it goes for you. Bye. See you next time.